Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your WordPress dashboard truly yours. A customized dashboard can significantly boost your productivity, helping you focus on what matters most. We'll explore simple ways to rearrange elements, hide distractions, and create a workspace that perfectly suits your daily tasks. Imagine a dashboard where every piece of information is exactly where you need it, saving you precious seconds every time you log in. Let's start with a built-in feature, Screen Options. You'll find this handy tab at the top right of your dashboard. Clicking it reveals a drop-down menu where you can easily check or uncheck boxes to show or hide different modules, such as Quick Draft or Activity. This simple tool gives you immediate control over what appears on your main dashboard screen, helping you declutter in just a few clicks. For more extensive customization, consider using dedicated plugins. Tools like Adminimize or Ultimate Dashboard provide a deeper level of control. With these, you can modify menu items, change color schemes, and even restrict access to specific features based on user roles. They empower you to create a truly branded and highly functional administrative interface, making your WordPress experience uniquely yours. Finally, let's talk about tailoring the dashboard for different users. WordPress allows you to customize what each user role sees, from administrators to editors or contributors. You can restrict access to specific menu items or widgets, ensuring that every user only encounters the information and tools relevant to their responsibilities. This creates a focused and less overwhelming experience for everyone, improving overall site management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.